What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I want to talk about how Exitus Elite can help you with everything going up in prices. Gas prices going up. Well, gas prices going up and down, but it's pretty much staying at the same level. Houses going up, rent going up, food inflation going up. And a lot of us got to supplement our income to keep up with inflation. Yes, we may get raises on our jobs. You are still slowly taking a pay cut because of inflation. So check out this video I came across talking about the food inflation.
So I'm walking around Costco here and I'm noticing these prices. For example, these mattress lentils, $15.99. I bought those a year ago for $6.99. I keep getting told that we got, 6-7% inflation. You gotta be kidding me. Let's look at what else we got going on here. We literally bought this chicken broth, $5.69, 2 months ago.
And the funny part about it is, me and my wife, we was at Sam's Club and we were talking about the price of rice, what we used to pay, and that went up. Box of rice.
Dang, this is the flour we were buying for $5.99 last year.
A lot of people today are struggling to keep up with the inflation. I don't know if I was on Instagram or TikTok, but they was talking about how this person was making a 6-figure income and still living paycheck to paycheck. That's crazy. I understand it's all about where you live and all that, but even if you're living below your means, the whole point is, as long as inflation is increasing and your income is not increasing or keeping up with the, as fast as inflation is increasing, you are still solely taking a pay cut. We can supplement our income by positioning ourselves to earn unlimited and instant commissions. That means you make a sale, there's no waiting on your money, you get paid instantly. In Exitus Elite, we make anywhere between $100 to $2,000 depending on where you place yourself to earn. If you need to start low and increase later on, you pay the difference from level to level. The max you're going to pay is $23.99 one time, no monthly fees, no yearly fees, and you earn unlimited commissions. Now, the way you make these sales is you have your own personal message or a message that you want to give out to people, and you share that message. Now, we are in the know, like, and trust factor. You have to build that. I know I said that wrong, but you have to build that. People have to get to know you. People have to like you. People have to trust you. Know you can help them in business in order to make sales. Right? You share your message, but you also have to let the people know you're here to help. If they join you, you're not going to leave them. If you make the decision to partner with me, this is the only business I'm going to promote. There's nothing else out there. I'm with them until they close their doors. I don't jump from company to company to company. I like promoting one thing and focus on one thing only. You may hear me mention other tools like Power Lead System, Aweber, but Exitus Elite is the main opportunity. And the team that I'm on, we have a team private chat for those who make the decision to go G1000, G2000. That team private chat is for ongoing support and training. And also at that level, I help you get your first set of traffic. I show you how to get your first set of traffic to your link to get eyeballs on your business, get human beings looking at opportunity and how they can supplement their income. I also have my copy and paste file. I got my one-on-one bonus training. And in our team, you also get a mega swap file and a 3-generation bonus training. This training will show you answers on getting people into your business, show you simple tactics that anybody can do that get results. And one of those ways is what you're looking at right now. What I said, have your message. Let people know about what you're about. Let people know who you are. Allow people to connect with you. It's not always about business. Who are you as a person? Why do you do what you do? I do what I do because I have a wife. I have a 15-year-old son. I want to provide for my family as much as possible. My family is my life. Not a lot of hobbies. I don't travel. If it's not about my family, I don't do it. I don't hang out with the boys a lot. I'm a huge homebody. It's fun because I rolled off with my son. He don't even like going nowhere. But that's me in a nutshell. Everyday average individual working a grocery warehouse. But like I said, a job alone ain't gonna cut it. Increase your earning potential. Our team give you training on how to make those $2,000 commissions. Exitus Elite itself is a platform that has courses on marketing, personal development, business, empowerment. When you click the link down in the description, you're going to see 2 links. One is my personal funnel that I created using Power Lead System, And the other funnel here is the pages that Exitus Elite provide. They give you lead capture pages, give you an autoresponder, does a presentation, and they also have a call center where the call center actually closes your sales for you. Now, if you go through my personal funnel, you're going to see this page, enter your email address. It's going to bring you to this page. 2 videos that Exitus Elite provide. Between these 2 videos, you're going to know everything. You're going to definitely know if you're ready to do this business. That's how informative these videos are. The call center. If a person sees the videos and they interested in joining it, they can call the call center. The company will answer your prospects' questions, sign them up, and send you the commission. Now, we always make 100% commission. At a G2000 sale, you would make $2,000 closing your own sale. But using a call center, it's an 80%, 20% split. So you'll make $1,600 on the work someone else did. So they collect the name and numbers from the capture page. They did the follow-up. They did the presentation. They close the sale, but you get 80% of the commission for doing 10% of the work, driving the traffic. That's a very generous deal coming from Exitus Elite. That's the type of business we have here. That's the type of owner and Paul Stevenson that we have, because he always look out for us. Jacob Steven, his son, with over support, great support. Get back to you fast, answer your questions. I love this business. I'm not promoting it. I'm saying it. I said it in other videos. I'm saying it in this. Exitus Elite is the primary and would be the business I'm promoting unless they close their doors. Otherwise, I am here to stay. Want more information? Click the link down in the description. My name is Michael Petty. Talk to you soon.